So I came along to the workshop today because I'm passionate about the potential of local government. I personally have benefited from local government support as a staff member, as a current and hopeful future leader, but also as a resident. Times are tough and funding is restricted and the needs of our communities are greater than ever before. So we need to be thinking differently about how we meet those needs. And today is providing an opportunity with others to do some of that thinking. I think my key takeaway from today is how different people in different roles think about local government and the importance of it is not either or, it is not one or the other. It's about all of us working together to understand those differences, understand what contributes to those differences, but most importantly, the value of those differences, and that all of those things together make up the different jigsaw puzzle pieces necessary to build the picture of how we will be in our future.